Hey guys, woodcarving tip of the day number 5. Wanted to come at you with a chainsaw carving I'm working on. As I was working on this, I thought to myself, for years I thought that when I took a gouge or when I took a chainsaw blade and I made a pass on the hair, I was creating an indication of the hair, right? Well, wrong. What I was doing was doing half of the job. In fact, I couldn't be more wrong. It was exactly the opposite of wrong. Of right, rather, of wrong. What I was actually doing is I was creating the negative space where the hair isn't, okay? So if I did want to make some grouping of hair, what I would do then is I would come on the other side of that cut, like I've done here, and make another cut. Now, by creating two cuts that are somewhat parallel to each other, here and here, I've created what's called a tuft, or a strand, or a subgrouping of hair, right? We've got the major group of hair here. We might have some main tufts going here, layers. But then within those kind of major groupings are these subgroupings, which are these kind of smaller areas or tufts of hair. You see we've got one deep channel here, and parallel to that, another deep channel. And that's creating the groupings or the hair itself. Remember, when you make a cut using a V-tool, you're creating the negative space that makes hair what it is. All right, thanks guys.